Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video without green screen using Kapwing. So first thing is of course go to kapwing.com and make sure to sign in into your account, and this will be their homepage. After that, just simply select a project, or if you don't have a project yet, of course just simply load up your video and just simply select media over here on the top and just simply add your media and just simply add it into the timeline. So now I have a sample over here that Kapwing have. So first, just simply select the video, and now from here, go for the effects over here, as you can see on the right side. And now from here, you will have an option to remove a background. Now guys, as you can see, when we play the video, it is now has been background removed. And as you can see, Kapwing did all of it on its own. And pretty much guys, the less movement it has, the better the background remover is. And also guys, here pretty much you need to upgrade to a pro plan in order for you to use this feature. And after that, you can just simply select export project. And as you can see, it is letting us to go for a pro. And guys, if you have a pro plan, you should be able to see something like this in the export project. Just simply select MP4 and render it up to 4K to 1080p, and you could compress the level or the file size as well over here and select export as MP4. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.